Who's going to be your favourite judge?
Like, I think Jason.
Hello, what's your name?
My name is Oshin.
What's your dream, Oshin?
I'd like to be on Cirque du Soleil.
Oh my God. Do you want to surprise us?
Sure.
Okay. I didn't ask you what you did. What a surprise that was! It's amazing. I mean, like, that's even better than Cirque du Soleil. I mean, that was just fantastic. Denise?
It's a bendy yes from me.
Oshin, yes.
Absolutely yes from me.
And I give you a yes. Well done, Oshin. See you later.
Just go out, smash it. I am so, so proud of you. You are the best. I adore you. Group hug. My girls.
Out you go, guys. Stand on the star. Good luck.
Hello. Hello, ladies. And what is your names?
We're Odyssey.
Odyssey. Oh, wow. Brilliant. From where?
We're from a small dance school in Cork. We're one of the oldest performing arts schools in the country. Oh. It was set up in 1954. So...
Wow, that's when Louis was a kid.
He said it, not me.
Well, off you go. Let's see what you can do. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Odyssey.
Thank you.
Trying to catch you, run, boy, run. Running is a victory, run, boy, run. Beauty lies behind the hills.
I'll be honest, there were a couple of moments when you were slightly out of sync. I do think you need to tighten it up just a little bit, but I'm going to put you through and say yes.
Thank you.
It's really tough for us to put the best people through, so I'm going to say no.
Louis! I'm going to give them a yes because we're good. Yeah.
You're too good to say no to, so I'm going to say yes. Well done.
That Escobar.
Hiya. Hi, what's your name?
Kevin.
Hi, Kevin.
And this is Escobar.
Hi, Escobar.
Say hello, Escobar. Say hello.
All right, then, what's your act?
He sings
What kind of music?
Fields of Attenroy.
What?
Okay. All right, let's hear it.
Oh, what do you say, Escobar? Are you gonna say hello? Say hello, Escobar. Are you gonna even say hello? Say hello. Or do you want to say bye-bye?
Sorry.
Escobar. Sorry about that.
Kevin, come back to the star here, right? And just give it a bash. And then if you really feel...
Not the parrot.
Not the parrot.
The act.
Okay, loads of support, everybody.
In the jungle. No, he's not gonna do it.
Guys are pretty close, I gather.
Yeah,
that.
we're like best friends now.
He's getting quite close to your face.
Yeah, he likes biting me, giving me love bites. Don't you, Escobar? Today, Escobar, he's going to sing The Fields of Athenry, maybe In the Jungle. We're hoping he doesn't get stage fright when he goes on the big stage. Are you going to get stage fright? No? Oh, good boy.
I'm gonna be a mighty king, so enemies beware. Well, I've never seen a king of beasts with quite so little hair. I'm gonna be the main event, like the king was before. The world is getting wildly out of wing. So I just can't wait to be king.
The problem was for me that it just felt a little bit messy. I've seen dogs a little bit more entertaining in the park, if I'm honest.
Well, she performs amazingly at home, and this is her first day in front of an audience, so...
I love you both, but there was no performance, so it's just going to take more time.
Jump, jump. Come, jump, jump. This is Jub Jub. Good dog, Jub Jub. Jub Jub is a very highly trained dog. Okay, Jub Jub, sit. Okay, Jub Jub, hopla. Jub Jub. Jub Jub. Jub Jub, stop, stop. Are you ready? You do it this time? Okay. Allez, hop. Come on, Jub Jub, go for it. Allez, hop. Woo! Jump, jump, jump. Hop, hop.
Oh, you like this, don't you?
Oh, I like it.
Jason's into this.
Hop, hop.
It's a mole.
Look, he's doing it.
Jump, jump.
Yeah, there we go. Just got it to the end. Just got it to the end.
Tommy,
Yes.
I just saw you chucking a mop through a hoop. Let's take a vote. Denise?
your little dancing dog isn't for me. I'm afraid it's a no.
Louis Walsh?
Tommy Baker, you got to work on the act. It's a no for me.
Jason?
Tommy, just go and get more characters. Maybe get some more sponges. I don't know. But it's no for me, but best of luck.
Tommy, I think you're fantastic. You look really foppishly great, but it's going to be a no for me, too. I'm sorry.
Okay.
Thanks, Tommy.
Okay.